Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we're diving into the fine details of bringing hyper-realistic textures to life in MidJourney. If you've ever wanted to see metal shine, fabric look touchable, or skin appear almost lifelike in your digital art, this is the video for you. We'll be exploring prompts and settings to set the most authentic textures you can imagine. And of course, check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to master these techniques. Let's get started. All right, first up, let's talk about metal. Capturing metal's unique qualities, its reflection, gloss, and coldness can really make or break a design. To get the most realistic metal texture, we'll layer descriptors that enhance its material feel, whether you're aiming for a polished chrome or weathered bronze. So let's set up a prompt that combines elements of light, texture, and even environment. So here is my prompt right over here. So I want like a bronze shield, textured surface with detailed patina. All right, realistic aged look. Okay. It has subtle reflections from warm candlelight. And then 8K ultra realistic. All right. Aspect ratio of 4:5. Okay. For settings, you could tone down the stylization, which I did already. Weirdness tone down, variety tone down. You want it raw to make it more realistic. Right over here. And yep. So once it's set up, just send it right over right about now. So, with this prompt, we're looking to achieve that aged historical feel by adding the patina and warm reflections. Using terms like vintage and aged hints a slightly worn look, while detailed patina adds authenticity. And now, as you can see, with the finished details here and there, the results, look at that. See, MidJourney really captured those bronze textures and imperfections that make it feel like a real piece of history. See right over here? Remember, small changes to descriptors like switching bronze to chrome can completely alter the effect. Just play around with the different metals for some surprising results. See right here? Next, let's bring some life into fabric textures. Whether you're working with smooth silks, rugged leathers, or cozy knits, achieving fabric's tactile quality is essential. By focusing on lighting and folds, we can make fabric textures in MidJourney, well, that feel as if you could reach out and touch them. So, here's a prompt to create the look of, let's say, a soft velvet under dramatic lighting. Okay, now in this prompt, we've added descriptors like soft highlights right here. There we go. Then fine fiber visible. There we go, to enhance that authentic velvet look. So the lighting as well will help create subtle shadows and highlights on each fold that could emphasize texture. Right, sending this off right about now. Okay, so MidJourney is generating this with the image rendering, and we should see how those rich folds, depth in the crimson color, and maybe even the slide fibers would go out and executed well with the results, if we're lucky, that is. So this prompt should help capture the essence of velvet. And now, as you can see right here, yeah, it's really stunning actually. So the depth in those folds and the richness of the color really make the fabric feel alive. Notice how the fine fibers visible detail worked to create an almost palpable texture. You can apply this technique to other fabrics. Just adjust keywords like silk or wool to match your vision. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This way you'll get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us gain traction in the YouTube algorithm. Finally, let's tackle one of the trickiest textures, skin. Skin texture is subtle but crucial, and MidJourney can produce incredible results if we approach it with the right descriptors, that is. So, whether it's freckles, or pores, or a specific skin tone, precise language will help MidJourney understand the depth and texture we're after. So, let's see how it works in action. Now, here's my prompt right over here. So, yep, here we're focusing on realistic skin by including words like freckles or natural pores right over here, and slightly textured skin, and those details right here. So, yep, and descriptors like warm skin tone, like this one over here, and soft lighting, another one right here. See, also help MidJourney capture a more lifelike appearance. And now, let's send this over right now. Right, let's wait over here. There we go. The image rendering process has begun. So, as MidJourney processes this, let's keep an eye out for the fine details, especially those natural imperfections in the lighting that brings out depth in the skin tone. But it all depends on the results of the images that MidJourney would put together right here. And there we go. See right here. Pretty incredible, I must say. Look at how the lighting and texture combine to make this skin tone feel so genuine. Seeing the detail in the freckles and the subtle pores right over here really give it that lifelike punch and that touch as well. So, experimenting with terms like textured or smooth can let you control the level of detail for different looks. And that wraps up our deep dive into realistic textures with MidJourney. Hopefully, you've picked up some techniques for making metal, fabric, and skin look as authentic as possible. Remember, mastering texture is all about getting those fine details just right. So keep experimenting and refining your prompts.